Sam Ireland from the Edmonton Real Estate Guys team, bringing you our newest listing here in the community of Athlone. We're surrounded by parks, playgrounds, schools, and just down the street from Hathaway's Diner. Lisbeth, take it away.
Hi, Lisbeth with the Edmonton Real Estate Guys, and I am welcoming you to our 50s craftsman bungalow home with original hardwood floors, 3 bedrooms, a double detached garage, and a massive backyard. We also have a fully finished basement. Take a look around.